Hey guys, kanti South Africa sekunjani? Ulwandle is back from prison and understand ukuthi kanti senje South Africa manje singabulala umuntu, drink and drive, shayisa umuntu and then uphume kanjalo. Also, ngikhumbula ukuthi iparole kaLwandle was denied because uze to testified against him. So how is it possible ukuthi usephumile ejele manje? Awumabandla ngeke baze babe happy ngalento le, and not just umabandla. I noticed ukuthi umawethu is also not very much happy about Lwandle coming back from prison, which is what I want us to talk about here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I know that as much as Sydney is a little bit relieved that Lwandle is out from prison, ukuthi akekho entirely happy. Ubekade ufuna uLwandle ahlale kancane lapha ejele because uma ngabe ebuye uyinkinga ebantwini abaningi, uyinkinga emsebenzini, uyinkinga kumawethu, azoba inkinga to the Mabandla family because the Mabandla family, and I'm expecting a situation whereby uhlathi naye uzoqasha abantu noma uthume kahle because yamathume uqatshelwa ekhanda these days. Nginawo nje into uthume uzoqasha abantu ukuthi nabo baqede ngoLwandle because you can't be the only one who has lost a child. Angazi kodwa mhlawumbe ngeze yenzeke lento leyo, but the person who is mostly uncomfortable with this whole situation is umawethu. This week's teasers of Inimba are showing us umawethu talking to his brother, emtshela ukuthi baba uLwandle is back from prison. Shuno Lwandle ke naye Lwandle kodwa wenza into worse. Lwandle immediately when he came back from prison, the first person that he visited was umawethu, and umawethu was so uncomfortable with that. So umawethu nawe uyacabanga ukuthi what if this guy came back for revenge? What if ubuyele uzoqeda ngami? If ukhumbula kahle umawethu was the one who convinced uLwandle ukuthi ahambe azo-expose ukuthi uyena wakade eshayisele yamuntu le, and he was drunk on the day. Nangempela it was a little bit difficult for uLwandle ukuthi azo-expose, but umawethu was the one who went out to tell everyone ukuthi baba nangu umuntu oshayise ulikamva. So ngayo yonke lento le yenzekile, obvious uLwandle might come and say wena wangibophisa, so I want to deal with you. Mhlawumbe lento le ngaqala emsebenzini because umawethu the first thing that he did uma ngabe realize ukuthi uLwandle is coming back to the office, uthe ufuna ama-shares eZondo Tech, meaning that he wants a better position so that izothi exosha laphayana thathe endaweni yakhe kufaka uLwandle abesazi ukuthi at least he's secured, uyi-shareholder. So injalo nje ishubile, and I don't know about you guys. Do share your thoughts, share opinions there in the comment section, and if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.